The Gravedigger monster truck is a 1950 Chevy panel truck. It has a 540 cubic inch motor that puts out 1,500 horsepower. It's got tires that are 5.5 foot tall. They're 66 inches tall, 43 inches wide. The thing weighs 10,000 pounds. It'll fly 40 feet in the air and keep going. They're big, they're bad, they're awesome.
Put the ignition on.
He's been dying to see the monster truck, so we came to get him some tickets. And then he saw Gravedigger and Son of a Digger over here, and he went nuts.
Well, here we just put this 500-pound monster in gear, and away we go.